What's going on, beautiful people? I want to show you guys these pre-made drink mixes. Chi-Chi's. It's 12.5% alcohol. Where's my glasses? Hold on. Made with premium rum, 25 proof, and then they have about 10 different flavors. Long Island iced tea. It's made with rum, tequila, vodka, gin, and triple sec. 12.5%. 25 proof again. These are pretty good. So, but I bumped them up. I just haven't tried this one. So we're gonna use the Cosori Pro blender. Make a little summer drink since it's still summer here in Florida. So like that, they have margarita ones, 3 different flavors. So I'm gonna fill this up. And then I'm going to throw another shot of rum in. You see that? Probably not. I'm going to master the camera here. Alright, let's see what we got. Put that in. I think it melted the ice. Yeah, that thing has no problem blending ice up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Real good. Chick drink. Here you go. I got it all over the counter here. But I just want to show you guys those mixed drink deals that are pre-made. Real good. They're about $10 a bottle. It's a 1.75 liter. Give them a try. The blender's been really good. Kick-ass blender. All right. Thanks for watching.